Welcome to Excel Tutorial 2. In this video, we'll learn how to manage data and create tables. You can create a table using Table icon in Insert tab. Click Table and select the area of the table that you need to create table. Then click OK. You can see now the table is created. If you want to get the total of the rows, tick the box under the Table Design tab. You can change the color setting of the table using Table Styles. Click the drop-down arrow and select the style that you want. Finally, the table is created. Then you can customize the table as you wish. But this is not the ideal way to create a table in Excel. Let's get started to create a new table. First, select the area that you want to create the table. Then, go to the borders and select all borders. Well, that is the outline for the table. Now, I am going to add the topic for our table. In our case, topic is Amazon sales in billion dollars. Then need to center the topic. So, select the area and go to the Merge and Center. Here, select the Merge and Center. Now you can see cells are merged and centered. Now let's add some formatting to the topic. Increase font size into 20 and make it bold. Select a color like green. Then it's done. Now let's fill the table. This is the month column. Fill the column in months. Okay, done. Now fill the other column headers in years 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, and 2023. Let's add some formatting to the headers. Choose a color like yellow. Increase font size into 14 and make it bold. You can adjust the row and column size by dragging. If you want to delete a column, first select Column and right-click. Here, select Delete option. Now you can see the column is deleted. If you want to insert a column, then select Column and right-click and select the Insert option. You can see a column is inserted. For rows, Insert and Delete follow the same steps. Let's enter the data like this. This manually data entry wastes too much your time. So, I copy and paste the data to avoid time wasting. Okay,
Done.
Amazon sales data were entered to the table successfully. Let's format the setting of these data into the currency of dollar. Select the area of cells that you want to format, and then right-click. Then select Format Cells option. Here you can see there are many formats like number, currency, accounting, date, and so on. For our table, we want to format cells as currency. Select currency. Here you can see there are many currency types. So, select dollar for this table. As for the decimals, I choose 2 decimal points. Then click OK. Now you can see the selected format were applied to the data cells. Let's fill the cells in color blue. Now I want to get total of each columns. That means total sales of each year. For the total row, it is better to add data cells format, since it is in the currency format also. So select the data cells and go to the Format Painter. Then select the cell area that you want to format. Now you can see the cells are formatted. Let's get total of each month using some function. To do this, type equal sum and open a bracket. Then select the area of data that you want to get total. For this case, cell area is F8 to F19. Then close the brackets and click Enter. Now you can see the total of 2019 is computed. To fill the other years, select Cell and drag and drop it to other cells. Okay,
Done.
total row is finally created. Now I want to increase the font size of total row into 16 and fill the color brown. Now you can see the total row data are not showing. To correct this error, we need to adjust each column size. To do this, select Column and drag it. You can do this by double-click on right button also. Add some formatting to the tail to make it attractive. Okay, finally our Amazon sales data table is successfully created. Thanks for watching Excel Tutorial 2. We hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Excel tutorials. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.